we are headed to the ruins. So, come on.
Our starting point is Henan. So sabi nila it's around ilang minutes?
Hopefully 20 minutes.
20 minutes of walk going to the ruins daw. So we'll try. We'll see kung andun kami in 20 minutes. Today, ten minutes of walking. Pag ganun pa kami. So tara, lakad habang hindi pa gaanong mainit. Job and Edwin here doing the sand castle. 15 minutes of walking. Papainit na ng papainit. Sige. Nahiya siya, nahiya. Walking pa here at the Lind. At doon pa kami pupunta. Layo pa? This spot here is so pretty. Siyempre wala ng tao kasi this is the only part where you can like walk. Ang mga tao ay nandun sa Station 1. So dito, chill na chill. Maganda ang lugar dito sa this part. Siguro next time we're gonna be staying here. This is the other side of Boracay where most people do not explore. Pero kami ni Jan, we'd like to see as much when we're in a place. Kaya, tara! There you go. Bye! Ayan sila. Package tour yan. Kaya nasa group. Jan is going to the left side. You can choose to go there. Or you can choose to go here. So ito yung makikita mo rito. Bukod sa maraming tao. Siyempre, this is a tourist spot.
Oh, yeah. Kalakay!
So one way in, one way out. So yan, bigay-bigay tayo ng mga dumadaan. Okay, so it's my turn now. Alright. This part, daungan ng mga bangka. Tahimik dito. We've reached this Dini Beach. Highly recommended in some vlogs that we've watched. Masarap daw ang pagkain, so we're gonna try. Dini Beach Club at 700 pesos. Dini Beach Club at 700. Yes, it's big. 20 pesos. 120 pesos. There's a shrimp inside.
There's no shrimp here.
Magkaiba. Okay, try it, darling. Tignan natin kung sulit ang 700.
Yeah.
Sulit ang 700.
Fresh tomatoes, fresh lettuce, bacon is there, chicken is there. I didn't put any salad dressing. You have to dip. Plunk. There.
Okay, sulit for its price at 7 days. Kinukulit ka lang niya. Na-enjoy niya kaya yung chicken sandwich mo. Makulit tong asawa ko eh. Total bill is 893 pesos. Dito sa Dini Beach Bar and Restaurant, sulit yung food nila. Masarap yung sandwich. At mabait ang mga tao.
Hello po.
This is Trina. Thank you, Trina.
Welcome.
We'll see you again soon.
Yeah, hope
Thank
to see you
you.
again soon. Okay po. Thank you.
Lakad uli after eating at Dini Beach Bar and Grill. Init. Konti na lang, malapit na. Ayun na. Yan, may palakad na ganyan. Hindi pa pala tapos. Meron pa dun sa baba. Parang wala na. Pero babalik tayo ulit dito. Party boat! That's a party boat! Be careful! Diyan, happiness! Na ang araw, napakainit. So from the ruins doon, bumaba pa kami. And this is where we are now. So, tahimik na rin dito. Ang mga bata, nag-enjoy. They're having fun. Ito siya.